vlog ada. Welcome back in long second video belum mipla. We mipla by story lik long how long Pokemon bla SAPS. Okay, SAPS so sem you se one the teacher you saw in SAPS se minimum one something. SAPS se minimum se ma student assessment period sheet. Okay, inside lo SAPS lo is la sample here when mipla cut 20 plus students one time all raw marks plongol. Okay, inside lo is la all raw marks plongol. Time mipla opening and by it looking all raw marks plongol. Okay, I'm open now. You can look at my sample and start all raw marks below the student. Okay, first thing we'll calculate the average. How we'll calculate the average? Total marks over total population. So first thing you must click in equals. Inside the Excel you must click in equals before entering more formula. So you click in equals. You click in equals sum. Type in sum. Okay, type in sum. Automatically come up. Click in sum. Open bracket. Drag the first student go to the last student. Close bracket. Put him over. Over I'm going to slash sign. Now put him over 20 because here I'm plug 20 student population. Enter. Enter now. You click 17 come up. You click 17 go to the X side. You drag across. Automatically get a marks below average below what a student have come up. The entire assessment below. Okay, one can go to mean. Click him lahap equals mean. Click in mean. Okay, open bracket. Click in first student, drag down to the last student, the first assessment, close bracket, enter. Okay, you go click in 7, go and click X, you drag across, mean lo get a student have come up, lo entire assessment, one kind lo max, click equals, max, go and max, click max, open bracket, drag lo first student, lo first assessment, go and lo last student, close bracket, enter. Click 25 here, go and click X, drag across. So now you can look in entire maximum score of the student and come up. Okay, second something you will work him now, you will calculating total score of the entire assessment. So first thing first, you click equals underneath the total, click him sum, okay, you go click him first assessment, okay, click him first assessment, you drag across, go to last assessment, close bracket, enter. Okay, you can look in 200 M come up now. 200 M so you must have total assessment for entire assessment period. One can also calculate in total marks scored per student. So first you click in equal sum, open bracket, you drag the first student, first assessment to the last assessment, then you click close bracket, enter. So now you look in marks for entire student. So you click in drag. Okay, you can look in entire marks below student or score him long over 200 M come up. So now you will calculate my percentage marks scored per student. So we will calculate my total marks scored per student over total score. So now you can look at me click him on cells enter, so it's in decimal place or decimal numbers. So time you drag down and you look at yourself diet come up automatically. Oh sorry, we encountering one problem here. We need to fix him this plan. Okay, go back and click him first student, percentage score of the first student. Okay, go on top function bar, front lo K, put in $sign, backside lo K, put in $sign. This lo make sure 200 and numerator lo get the total score of the entire student. So this can apply lo get the entire score na formula blimi go right. So after you put in $sign lo front lo K, backside lo K, close bracket, enter. Okay, now click in back and first student. Now you drag down. Okay, time you drag down, look him. Okay, now I'm alright. Okay, next thing first I'm start decimal, so I'm gonna change him to fraction. You go click him I'm gonna straight him to percentage. So start to percentage, you click him. Okay, you can click him lanta potamblo. You can look him numbers. I'm going to start. You can click him percentage. So you look in percentage come up, but percentage premium still start lo decimal percentage. So you will round him off one tap whole percentage number. So you may click him. Okay, now I'm start lo whole percentage number. Okay, now you may work in percentage finish and easy low. Now you will be calculating grades. Okay, first you click in equals if open bracket. Okay, click in first cell where student percentage belum staff belum more than or equal to, click in or type in more than or equal to, write in 90%. Okay, put in comma, open and close quotation. Namelo open and close quotation, you may type in distinction. Okay, selalu show you if it is 90% at one type and distinction. So type in distinction. Okay, now you put in backside close quotation, you type in or press in comma. Okay, type in narapla if can, if. Okay, or type in open bracket, click in bracket the first percentage, the first student. Okay, type in more than or equal to, type in 85%, comma, open and close quotation. Na type in credit namin open or close quotation. Now put in comma lo backside, na you continue go. Working one time lo apa pass na fail. So now you're looking to say you come up to last plug grading, you got 5 plus open bracket, therefore you must put in 5 plus close bracket, lo passive. Now make sure lo put in percentage lower the number because formula blaming and related lo percentage shells. So therefore percentage it's a must that you must enter in percentage. Moving case I want to function bar, pressing enter, lo look at one gradings come up. Now you drag him, click him the X here, you drag him go down, look at what the gradings have come up. Okay, now you can look at gradings below entire student. Okay, now you may go to rank. Rank MEC, simply click in equal rank, click rank. You come go to upside, you click in percentage of the first student. Okay, percentage of the first student. Okay, then you drag lo up, go down the last student. Okay, you come back and lo rank. Then you make sure lo heading dollar sign lo L11, lo center L11, front lo L, backside lo L. Lo L11 na L30, put in dollar sign lah. Okay, you come backside lo L30, put in comma, but you remember to descending na ascending, so you can click in 0 descending. This line lo minimum awesome. This line picking ini, but I'm start rank lo lowest. Okay, the top student will be from the lowest number to the highest. Suppose you listen how much student scoring distinction credit, apa pass na fail. You simply go to the column, click in equals count if. You come down, you click in gradings, the first student. Now you drag the first go down the last. You come on the begin lo this table. Make sure you put in dollar sign lo M11 M30, M11 M30. Okay. Now you go backside lo after you put in dollar sign lo M11 M30, go backside lo M30, put in comma finish. Okay, go to M30, put in comma. Now you go click in distinction. Click in distinction finish, come backside lo M5, put in close bracket, enter. Enter. Now you look at one of the student so same distinction. Now you drag across. They drag across, enter student result. Thank you for watching this video and I'll look you next time.